Alright, here we are at the second Intercom speaker tour at the Stop and Shop. This location is at the Bay Plaza Mall. So, it's a nice lovely day today. So let's check in and see what installations we got. Alright, so from what I saw on Google Maps, this store used to be a PathMark. So, these have working quad speakers. First one here. Got another one up there. Oh, I never saw this one. So we got some Bogan S86 ceiling speakers. Here's another one. This one's quiet. Matter of fact, this entire area is full of them. Another one. There's those two. Alright, if I sound quiet, it's because I'm actually having some stomach problems. Alright, so back to the qualms. Alright, we got a paging or customer service announcement. That ceiling tile is messed up. Yeah, who knows what speakers they got in the storage room. I don't know if Fubazar tends to reuse the speaker system in the original PathMarks. Because you know the one with the Bogan S86s, that one used to be a PathMark too. Alright, I think that was like a sort of like Walgreens and Dine Shine. Pretty much like that. This is quite an old store. Let's take a closer look, listen to one of them, shall we? Saying the same thing, I don't know why. It's kind of hard to tell. This is actually a... Okay, some of these might be P900s. And if that's the case, we're probably dealing with CA03 drivers. Yeah, these look way too new. I could have sworn these speakers were a bit louder when I first came in this store. So we got that one too. And now I don't know how this one is this scratched up. Alright, I think they are definitely qualms. I could see kind of the textured surface on these. That's quite a... Yeah, it has to be. I don't know, you can tell it has like that little tiny indent in the middle. go back this way. Okay, let's go to the next aisle actually. Alright, so we got these ones. We got Mega Trainer John Legend. I could kind of hear the bass, just a tiny bit. And if these are Qualms, these are probably like those Muzak rebranded ones. I was told by Aaron that majority of these VRAWPs are Muzak installations. This one's very quiet. Alright, so we got this robot approaching us. This is a robot that checks the aisles. It's kind of adorable. I would say the height of the store is pretty much similar to the Stop and Shop in whatchamacallit, the Grand Avenue shops. Almost similar layout, except that this one used to be a PathMark. I'm willing to bet that those speakers in that PathMark that uses S86s, they still work. It's just that they chose not to use them at all. This one's kind of dirty. This one's kind of dirty. Look on. So I guess I'll see you guys outside. It's been a while since I heard this song by One Direction in public. Yeah, I pretty much first heard this song in a Burger King that used to be in Flushing. That one had the Qualm BR8Ws with the Muzak brand stamped on it. Oh yeah, before I forget, there are some ceiling fans here. I think that one's I'm not sure if that's a Dane Leading Edge or not. There's another one exactly like that. There's that one. And all the way in the back is a can arm ceiling fan too. But yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all the installations in the Stop and Shop here. Quite interesting. I was not expecting to see Bogan S86s as well. So that will be it for this video. That is the second Intercom speaker in the Stop and Shop.